I'm super glad that you joined us today. We're gonna be trying a new challenge. It's called the Bird Box. I'm gonna have the assistance of my friend, Austin, Lord of the Lizacs, all the way from the north. From the north. So today we're gonna be doing another video. We're gonna be hitting this up right here. We have the all you can eat, the blind, or take it all. Like it or not, sorry, it's not take it all.
That was our first choice.
What we want to do today is the Bird Box Challenge. Birds. Doves. My name is... We were supposed to find a blindfold. Unfortunately, we couldn't, so we found the next best thing. Target bag. Nail it. We're gonna be using this little thing from the game. Oh yeah. It's supposed to go on our head. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit. Oh wait. There were straps. There were straps.
There's
no?
straps?
Yeah. That's perfect. So it doesn't need to fit your head as long as it. Take two.
Take two.
So.
Nice and slow. Duct tape.
That does make more sense.
Yep.
So the game's so what we did was he bought a couple items that I did not see. I bought a couple items that he did not see. So surprise! We're gonna go ahead and flip the coin. Rare, mint condition, nickel. Go ahead and flip. Call it in the air. Who's gonna call it in the air?
Oh, tails.
Hold. Reflip.
You choose this time.
Okay. Tails.
Tails.
I want to go first.
Oh.
I'm gonna give you some time.
So bag yourself.
As you can see, completely blindfolded. 100%, 365. Wait, you see, the blind side lady, what's her name?
Sandra Bullet.
Sandra Bullet.
Bullet.
Bullet. She inspired me. She showed us that you can raise kids and take them across the country to save them. If she can do that for her kids, I can do this for myself. I'm not gonna lie, this trash bag is getting real hot. It's fashionable,
Okay.
but I'm burning up.
Alright. You can't see, right?
No,
Right.
put them on these daggers. But you gotta make sure that their mouth. Is the camera still on?
Yes.
I know what fish smells like. It's a good thing this is covering my hair.
Okay, I'm gonna put the first one on. It's not gonna work.
This is how Sandra Bullet would feel.
Okay. You want me to feed you, or do you want to take it yourself?
You put it on these things.
It won't fit. It's gonna fall off. Just keep it on.
Make
there.
it happen. There's tools in this house.
It's not gonna.
You got
not
this.
gonna fit.
You have to
It's
make
not gonna stay
everything
on there.
fit.
Okay, there it is. Oh, never mind. It's not gonna fit.
Use some rope. I'll chew around the rope.
Here's a fork.
The point of the hat is to use the hat.
Trust me, 3 things
Okay.
is not gonna fit on the hat. So
You should have thought this through.
yeah, when we went to HEB,
This is your job.
okay. So here is the fork, right in front of you. Okay, go ahead. Ready? 3.
No, you gotta put it on the hat.
It's not gonna stay on the hat.
By the way, Austin, there's tape. There's the first drawer over there. The first drawer over there has scissors and crayons. Smell it.
Go.
Smell it on you. Oh, this is not you. I thought you fed this to me. I like it. More! More! No,
Alright.
no, really, no.
Alright. The next one.
Does it fit on the thing? Because why am I wearing this thing if it's not fitting on this thing?
Do you want me to try to put this on the thing?
Yes. That's the whole point of this. So I can go.
Okay, so
I think you missed the point of this whole game.
you ready?
I'm just an idiot with a
You want me to
trash
let it
can.
go or do you want me to help you?
I want to do it myself.
Okay.
Okay. Change of plans. Change of plans. It doesn't fit on you.
Go. Hold it up for the
It's an eggplant. I know what an eggplant tastes like.
I knew it was your favorite vegetable, so I got it for you.
Yeah, it's a tough eggplant.
You're biting from it all the wrong way.
No.
You gotta go from
How do you leave? I love it. It tastes like an apple. An elongated apple.
How many bites are you gonna take out of that?
eat the whole thing.
You're gonna eat the whole
No, I'm not gonna eat the whole thing.
Yeah.
Finger food. Okay, I'm done with that eggplant.
This next one is my favorite, so I left it for last. But again, this will not fit on this. You just threw this in. Okay, ready? There you go. You gotta hold it straight up. There you go, like that. There you go. All the way, all the way.
What do you mean all the
You're
way?
cheating.
What do you
You're
mean all the
cheating.
way?
All the way.
What is that? Is
Do
that-
you want another spoonful?
No, it tastes like paint.
What a letdown. What a letdown.
I taste it in my nose. I'm done.
Okay. Really hot.
I like that. I really. Is it sardines?
Yeah.
It tastes just like tuna fish. I like it. The wasabi, ugh. I didn't like that wasabi sauce. That tastes like paint.
So now we need to clean this up.
Nah.
I guess it's my turn.
Keep your nose out. There you go.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect. I like it. It's fashion. We're gonna start off easy for Austin.
It's not gonna be easy. I know you. I know you, Tanoka. You're lying.
This first item that we're gonna try with Austin is something that I personally have tried before. I didn't like it. Everybody has a preference.
I cannot tell what it is by the sound.
It came from the royal family. See, what I did is I actually took into consideration things that can actually fit on these things, right?
You didn't tell me that. You didn't tell me about that.
It doesn't matter. We're moving on. Oh yeah, it's a little heavy.
What the? What?
Because you did this to me, I'm gonna do this to you. This is weird. This is a weird way to feed people. Open your mouth. Open your mouth!
It's a fluffy. I don't know what it is.
Don't touch it with your hands. Put your hands down. Open all the way. I'll help you. This hat thing is just for cosmetics at this point. It's easy. It's a nice first one. He said, ew.
There's a marshmallow.
Eat it. Use your hands. No,
I
you know
ate
what? No. Don't use your hands. Finish it. I finished your stuff.
No, you didn't. You didn't
I
finish
took-
that.
I took a whole
You did not
spoonful of
finish that.
wasabi. I took a whole spoonful of wasabi.
I don't know what this.
Eat it.
No, I already had a bite.
What does it taste like? We're gonna move on to the next one.
It tastes weird.
The next one
It has
is.
the texture of a marshmallow.
Stop breathing, Austin. The camera needs to focus.
I'm scared.
Nah, it's good.
I don't.
You know what? You've probably eaten this before.
That scares me more because I think you're lying. You're lying to me.
What's it sound like?
Sounds like a gun. Where is this thing? Where is it? Did it drop it?
Yes. I have more. Take 12. Ah, there I got it. I got it. I'll help you, because I'm a good friend.
Where is it? No, pork rinds. Right?
It's shrimp crackers, also known as caprec. Last ones. So this right here, I'm not gonna say what it is out loud, but this little can here,
It's in a can?
it's festive. The food that I decided to buy,
Festive.
it's festive. It's for Easter.
Okay.
Like the first bite, I think you'll like it. You like the last one?
Yeah.
You're gonna look. All the famous people like it.
1, 2, 3.
You have to eat all of it. Just put it in your mouth. Just eat it. Tell us how it tastes. Just eat it all. Let it sit in your tongue. What did it taste like?
It tastes like an egg, but I'm hoping that's all it was.
It's quail eggs.
Quail?
Quail, yeah. Quail eggs in water. It wasn't even that bad, was it?
Yeah. This was the first one.
Easy. It's like breakfast, yeah. You like the video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, show us some love. Okay? Dude, they weren't even that bad.
Cheers.